folks, welcome back to another Saturday Night with Tom Petty. Today we're going to be covering a song off the first Mudcrutch album. It's called Orphan of the Storm. I've always liked this one. It's got a nice groove, kind of a folky type song. It's only got 5 chords too, so great news for the beginner guitarist out there, or just you want to add a song to your repertoire. Really nice song. So let's get into this. The guitar is in standard tuning. There's no capo. Again, this is going to be a quick lesson. Let me give you the 5 chords you're going to need for this song up front. G major, an A minor, a C, a D, and you're also going to need an E minor. So that's it. Just a G, A minor, C, D, E minor. That's your 5 chords. Let me give you the intro and the verse. It's got a nice gentle strum pattern. So it starts in the G to an A minor, then to C, to D, back to G. So again, just the chords are G, A minor, C, D, back to G. That's it. That's all the verses. That's the intro, the rhythm under the solo. It's everything. And then the next part of the song, when it stops, you know, the Lord, Lord, it stops on a G. Lord, Lord. Then you're back to a C. Then an A minor to a D. Back to C, to D, G, walk down the F sharp bass, G, F sharp to E minor, C, to D, back to G. So one more time and then we're all finished. Again, you're going to stop on a G chord, Lord, Lord, yeah, to a C, then A minor, to D, I ain't the C, to D, G, walk down the F sharp bass to E minor, to a C, D, G. That's it, folks. That is Orphan of the Storm by Mudcrutch and Tom Petty and the boys. Thank you, folks, for watching. I really appreciate it. I hope you're all doing well. Everybody stay safe and healthy. I'll see you next time. Take care.